Patricia Regier with Trish Talks.
Hi and welcome. I'm so thrilled that you are here today. My name is Patricia Regier and I would love for you to check out this montage video trailer all about intentionally lead, live, and learn. Bit of a selection of what you can find on this channel, and I would love for you to check it out. Hi everybody, this is Leaders Inspired. I've got the ponytail up because we're going to get some work done today. We love creating light bulb moments within fantastic learning experiences. And your guide on the side. Here, this is your learning community where you can access resources and tools, share your questions and comments, and feel that this is a safe place. There's no judgment, but have fun, be adventurous, and be curious. So think about the possibilities. Start small. We tend to box ourselves in. This looks really cool. I'm going to give you a behind the scenes look and a bit of a how-to step-by-step. Just keep putting yourself out there. Even if you're not sure how it's going to turn out, it's always worth it. Good morning. I'm really excited to bring you this video. It's going to be a little bit different. We're all about intentionally lead, live, and learn. And this is the learning part. The content creation, the helping facilitators and speakers with their PowerPoints, with their training curriculum. How do they amp it up to reach their diverse audience? And just all the different tools that you can use for content creation. I really love, that's what lights up my light bulb and how I can help light the light bulbs of other people. To make it less, demystify it, make it less scary. Have my tea for later. If you have, depending on your group, I didn't feel particularly brave. I was being intentional, but that started the self-discovery and research. I just want to encourage you to keep believing in what you're passionate about and what you're doing, and step forward and just embrace your yes. Really inspire you and add to your skills and your collective toolbox of expertise, resources. But I have a solution for you where you can feel like you're thriving, not just surviving your leadership role. I have the opportunity of having work that's really creative. It's been a really good week. Just thinking of the similarities and a lot of what I do even on Instagram or YouTube with these blogs and blogs on my website. The pictures and the quotes, it's being inspired with what's around me and also to inspire other people. I just thought I would record a little vlog and share some of this experience. This is good. It always feels good to pause, reflect, share, and recenter the purpose. And the reason why I bought this paddleboard is because I was starting my business and I knew that figuratively and literally I would need to be intentional about staying above water, keeping my head above water, balancing life, and finding a rhythm. Do you take the opportunity when something goes wrong or right to use it as a teachable moment? Sometimes we need to be on the journey that we're on to get to where we're going. Intentionally lead, live, and learn. Thank you so much for watching this. Again, my name is Patricia Regier. Here on this channel, you'll see some videos that have been called Leaders Inspired or Trish Talks. It's been kind of an evolution, but it comes down to intentionally lead, live, and learn. And a lot of our instructional videos going forward are going to be about how you, and regardless of your role, can reach your audience, employees, your customers, and light them up through the learning experience. So we look forward to sharing a lot of great tips and tools, and thank you so much for checking out our videos. We would love it if you would like them, subscribe, share, and comment what you're looking for in videos and information, and we can create something for you.